Alright, so let's go ahead and install the profiler. The profiler can be installed with this command. I'm running this on a MacBook. Other Linux distributions might not have these commands pre-installed, so you may need to use other similar commands or perhaps install Python 3 or pip. But let me just go ahead and run this. Yes, so I think that's completed. Shouldn't take too long. You can go ahead and run this to verify that the installation was successful, right? So ADTC profiler help. Yes, so if you run this command and you get your output, then that means your installation was successful. Once you install, you should get everything, including the accuracy stack, LM eval, Llama, CPP, Python. So you also need Python version above 3.11, and you also need Llama Bench as well installed and available on your path. Models must be in gguf format running through Llama CPP, which happens to be the challenge runtime.